Hello guys, where I'm here. Saturday afternoon. I'm right here at my sister's house. We purchased and now we're gonna unbox it and we are going to use it. So I'm gonna tell you, this is very important. Such essential, for a homeowner. You need it, right? We need it. So it's my niece right here. Her name is Ariel Potlot. So let's go. Let's check it. There you go. Push brushless 20
We should have got the one
inches
that
cordless lawnmower.
that pushes itself, but you just have to.
Yeah, we don't need it. It was more expensive. It's like $100 cheaper. So we got this one for still expensive. Which the other was like $100, difference. But it's okay. It has 6 hours, or not 6 hours, 40 minutes, battery time. So we're gonna check it out. So we're unboxing this big blinky. Okay, so the name of this, is, how do you pronounce this? Ryobi. It's probably silent, by brushless 20 cordless lawnmower. So you don't need it. You don't need a gas. It's battery operated. So it has 6 AH, whatever that is, battery for extended runtime, maximum power and runtime, easy fit, single motion bag removal, which is it catches the grass, and lightweight and easy storage. So right now she doesn't have a storage. This is a single point height adjustment, so you can adjust your the cut, a dimension, so you can make it shorter, medium, and however you want it. Okay, let's open this blinky right here. This one, baby. Oh wow. So this is the charge. That's small. Is that the battery? Gonna do it right there. And what are you doing? Just this side. So what does it say?
It says that this
Indicator. That's the battery.
It says this one, the red means power on, orange means testing. Whatever this is means error. This is charging, and this is ready.
Okay, thank you.
I have no idea what this is.
Thank you.
Wow, it looks so cool. Looks pretty lightweight.
Like you have to destroy
Remove
the
it.
box.
Oh no.
Oh, actually, it's very light.
Okay. I want the box.
No, because just in case we need to return it.
Oh yeah.
And this is the box right here.
This is the bag that collects the grass and yeah.
What are you doing? Come on, Aaron.
Okay. This kind of looks like we could ride on it.
I need your help.
Like right there. Okay, should I get her? Or just, do you want me to help? Okay guys, we're trying to get it out, like, right now.
Yeah.
It's kind of heavy. That's alright though.
It's actually light. It's not heavy.
It is?
Yeah.
Well, that's you. Whoa!
It's very light.
Okay, looks good so far.
Hold it, baby. Hold it, okay?
Oh yeah, that's light.
Very light. It's like
Wow,
a toy.
careful.
Like a toy, Wow.
Move your foot.
Now we got a new toy. There you go.
Let me see
Look at
that.
that.
Wait, can I see?
cool.
That's cool. It's like a shopping cart.
It's like a shopping cart.
It's like the one.
Very light.
Yeah, I like it.
Okay, so why don't you go get this box? It's right there.
Ow! Anyways. Is it the charger? Look.
Yes. Uh-oh. Instructions? Do we need instructions?
Do we?
Uh,
Maybe we do.
French. Woo, voulez-vous?
Okay, so we have the battery, I think. It is the battery?
This is the battery.
Yeah, it is.
Here.
Let me see that.
No, I got it. Right here.
I hurt myself from opening the box.
Okay, so
Oh no,
how do
trying
we-
to get something out of the box. It hurts. Okay, so you can actually open this. Oh, that's so cool. I'm just gonna...
It has 2 batteries? What? Oh.
Okay, that's it.
Oh.
That's so cool.
So what's the other one? What do you put in the second one?
Maybe nothing.
I'm trying to figure it out, where I can put this one because I don't like reading instructions. So right now,
Not really.
right here,
Okay.
operators.
Maybe it goes in that little one right there. It looks like it'll fit.
We'll figure it out. That's why we have instructions. But your auntie does not
Yep.
like following the instructions. We're gonna remove this right here because we have to charge it. Oh,
Oh, so you have to charge the battery?
this? Yeah, we have to charge the battery, but I think it is charged right now. So this and that goes together. So when you're charging them,
And then the charger is in the box right now.
Right
I do
there.
not want to stick my hand in the box because I already hurt myself.
Here you go. So
Yay.
and then give me that. So this all goes together when you're charging them, and then you're just gonna plug it in. And then the indicator, that this is fully charged, when it's green. I guess that's what
Yep.
it is, right?
And then
So when it's charged,
it's just showing you what the lights mean.
okay. So
I think
what
so.
we can try, maybe it has a little charge. So we can remove this for now. I'm just gonna leave it right here. But for the purpose of this video, we are just going to
Wear shorts.
try it. Say, we don't need any man to do this. Anybody can do this. So right here, I'm going to show you on this side. Come here, right here. So this is, it's like a car.
It looks like a car. It looks like a car if you just get rid of the handle.
Yeah. This is the gear, and this is the dimension of how much you want to cut your grass on this side right here.
Guys, I just discovered that this is the start button. I believe so. I think so. So yeah, that's it. I think we figured it out. It doesn't really look like it. It looks wrong.
Okay, now we're gonna remove this right here. Oh, this is so cool. It's like a brand new toy. There you go. It's really light. I can do it single-handedly like that. We're gonna try it. So I'm gonna explain all the aspect on this machine right here. So we're gonna try it.
There she goes. Here we go. Looks very cool. It looks like a toy car. look at how long the grass is and look at how well it cuts it. Okay. See, look, the grass was like this, very tall, and now it's very nice. And it's the perfect swing. Hey, where's the bag? Where's the bag that catches the grass? Where's the bag that catches the grass?
It's just recycling. You don't have it right now.
Okay, so I like the lawnmower so far. Look at how nice the grass is. This is fun. It's like a car. So we still have a lot to mow, but we're just working in the front right now of the yard.
I do like this brushless, lawnmower, but the only, pros and cons with this one is the battery exactly, say how long it's gonna last. So it did, work well for 40 minutes. So this is how far I can go, after the front. I was able, to trim a little bit more, but not quite as that one right there. In the middle, I didn't get a chance because it's really thick. It does work on the thick one, but you had to make the adjustment. And so far, with this big yard right here, it's not gonna you have to have a reserve battery. But with this big yard right there, you need 3 battery, reserve for this. But as far as I know, I would say I would give it probably a 7. The reason why I'm giving this a 7 rate, because well, that's the only thing with the battery. But other than that, it's really easy to work with, it's really easy to handle, and it's really easy to install. I hope you guys enjoy my review for this Ryobi 40-volt brushless lawnmower. Thank you guys so much. I hope you enjoy. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Click the notification bell so you'll be uploaded on my next video. Have a good day and have fun.